Hi there. It is most kids' dream to be able to go to college and even pursue the kind of courses or the kind of majors which they're really excited about. Most of the times, this is a natural route which almost all kids follow in case they have an opportunity to go to college. And of course, based on the liberalism which we have out here, their parents, their guardians encourage them to pursue their passion. But the market dynamics are quite different. And I'm saying so because there are those majors in colleges which have an intrinsic nature of having a higher reward in terms of monetary rewards after someone finishes college or university. That's why I'm making this video to discuss with you 5 university majors which have among the highest pay immediately someone finishes college or university. You are all much welcomed to the Money Daily YouTube channel. My name is Afadza Sifunam. So, which are these majors that have at least higher earning in case someone finishes university or college? In no specific ranking, but I'm going to be mentioning the average salaries out there. Let me list them for you. At number 1, we have majors around computer science and computer engineering. Guys, with the evolution we're having currently in the world, whereby the world is becoming more and more tech-savvy, whereby we're seeing more and more cases of, for example, automations out there, we're seeing more and more cases of streamlined payment methods and so forth, the demand for skills around programming and sophistication around computer science are growing by the day. And in fact, these are some of the majors in colleges which have very high rewards after someone finishes college or university. And we're talking about these majors actually giving someone a starting salary upwards of $70,000 US. And in fact, for most computer science majors, the starting salary is upwards of $75,000 US per year as a starting salary, right? And then the second major, which has also a good salary after someone finishes their college or university, is majors around engineering. Beyond computer science and software engineering or computer engineering, other sciences, other majors in other fields of engineering, name it, civil engineering, electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, aerospace engineering, and so forth. All the different kinds of engineering out there also have good pay when someone finishes college or university and then they enter into a job market. This kind of majors also have a good pay. And by the way, we're talking about an average pay of about $70,000 US per year after someone finishes school and then they graduate. These also pay someone pretty well. So, in case you're thinking about going to college or university, most of the times engineering will be a good bet for you, whether it's computer science, software engineering, or even another major of engineering out there. Because once you finish school and you get the job market, chances are your starting average salary is going to be slightly higher compared to the market average. And then the third major, which also has a good pay when someone finishes school, is majors relating to economics and finance, right? Let's face it, money rules the world. And business or trade rules the world too. Because out there, day in, day out, people are actually actively partaking in different forms of trades, right? Right from people selling, for example, groceries in their local area where they live, retail shops, to continuous sophistication to other levels. For example, in the stock market, right? Down to even different exchanges out there in different countries, to the central banks and so forth. And the skills which drive this kind of monetary exchanges in the economy and also inform different fiscal and even monetary policies are skills anchored in finance, economics, and also some other disciplines in business field. So this kind of training in college also, more so in a good school, is going to assure you a good starting salary. Because for these majors, we're talking about an average starting salary of about $65,000 USD per year to about $70,000 USD, which by the way is a good starting salary. And by the way, for these majors, even someone could be able to get more and more, even beyond the majors I talked about, as annual total compensation. And this is so because also they have very good bonus schemes based on kind of transactions and also kind of sales someone has a execute out there. So that is the third key major which can also give you good rewards after finishing college or university. And then the fourth major which also rewards handsomely after finishing school, is majors relating to medical sciences. What do I mean? Majors around, for example, medicine, around nursing, psychology, and so forth. These kind of majors are also in demand out there. And of course, we've seen all in the recent past where pandemics are coming up, when diseases are evolving out there. All these require those kind of skills, which are very essential in informing scientific research and also treatment of different conditions out there. So because of this important role, all these majors play out there, mostly in the medical fields. Also, they have a good starting salary once someone finishes school. And for these, we're talking about a good starting salary of about 60K USD going forth. And by the way, just to give you an example, a physician's average salary once they work for multiple years out there, you could find even the salary can go even upwards of 200K USD. That shows you the propensity of making money in this field too. And then the last field I want to talk about, which is also key in driving huge salaries in the market, is also majors around physics, right? And by that, to some extent, based also beyond these, also some majors around statistics, and some of the key subjects of mathematics also have some good pay. So physics, statistics, and some key aspects of mathematics also reward people handsomely after finishing school. And for this, we're talking about an average salary in the market of about somewhere between 55K to about 60-something K USD per year. So you be the judge. And in no way am I saying this is an exclusive list, right? And of course, I'm not saying this is also a fixated list. We have very huge variances out there. I'm just telling you what the average is in the market. Of course, we have very skewed statistics in all directions out there. You could find, for example, someone has even done computer science. The starting salary, for example, is 20K. Another person has done the same course, starting salary is over 150K, and so forth. So at least this is just a guidance for you to have a perspective when you're getting into whichever major in college, so that you know once you finish, how's the market gonna reward you. Thanks a lot for watching. I look forward to share with you other awesome videos next time. Bye bye, and you all take care.